Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pumpkin Farm Minecraft. Full guide. Start by selecting a flat area near water, gather seeds and pumpkins, and craft hose for tilling soil. Plan rows with alternating water channels every 4 blocks to hydrate farmland efficiently. Use fences and lighting to protect crops from mobs and prevent trampling. Expand in layers and use villagers or pistons. Choose a grid pattern that maximizes space and access. Till soil into rows 3 blocks wide with water every 4 blocks for full hydration. Space pumpkins 1 block from stems so they can grow onto adjacent blocks. Rotate crops to maintain yield and avoid overcrowding. Add composters or bone meal for faster growth when needed. Lighting boosts growth and prevents mob spawns. Manual harvesting is simple. Break pumpkins and replant immediately. For semi-automatic farms, use villagers to harvest or water flush systems to collect items. Build piston harvesters triggered by observers to push mature pumpkins onto hoppers. Use hopper minecarts beneath rows to gather items from the ground efficiently. Store outputs in chests sorted with comparators and hoppers for organized storage. Test timing to avoid missed harvests or jammed pistons, and keep aesthetics tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.